In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge if it won't open PDF files on Windows 11. Now, whether you're encountering this issue for the first time or it's been a recurring headache, we're here to help get Edge up and running smoothly again. Follow along with me and let's get started on these solutions. First, we need to ensure that Microsoft Edge is set as your default PDF viewer. To do this, simply right-click on any PDF file you have on your system and select Open With. From the menu that appears, choose another app. When the options pop up, select Microsoft Edge and make sure to check the box that says always use this app to open .pdf files. This will ensure that Edge remains your go-to viewer for PDFs. Let's move on to the next step, which is clearing your browser cache and cookies. This is a simple yet effective way to resolve many issues your browser might be having. Open Microsoft Edge and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus a delete on your keyboard. This will bring up a menu. You'll see options like cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Select these options and then click Clear Now. By doing this, you're giving your browser a fresh start, and it can often resolve issues like difficulties opening PDFs. Next, we'll disable extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can be the culprits behind your PDF problems. Still in your Edge settings, navigate to the extensions area. Once there, go through your extensions list and disable those you suspect might be conflicting with Edge's opening of PDF files. Don't worry, you can always enable them later if they aren't the issue. If clearing cache and disabling extensions didn't do the trick, we can reset Edge entirely. In the settings menu, you'll find the option to reset settings. Click Reset Settings, then select Restore Settings to their default values. Confirm by clicking Reset. It sounds a bit drastic, but sometimes resetting Edge can solve persistent issues. For our last tip, let's explore a couple of other potential solutions. First, ensure both Microsoft Edge and your Windows 11 OS are up to date. Keeping everything current can solve compatibility issues. Additionally, go back into Edge settings, select Privacy, Search and Services, then Site Permissions. From there, head to All Permissions and navigate to PDF Documents. Ensure this setting is enabled, allowing Edge to manage your PDFs efficiently. These steps should help you resolve the issue and get Microsoft Edge to open PDF files without any hiccups. If the problem persists, you might want to consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy browsing with Microsoft Edge.